Hi there! I'm finally back with another video. It's been a long time since I last posted, but hopefully I'm going to be more consistent now. On this occasion I want to welcome the new subscribers to this channel and also thank everyone for the support they've shown to this small humble channel of mine. So without further ado, let's get into today's recipe. We're going to make the easiest, fastest, cheapest noodles ever. We're going to make Japanese soba noodles. You can make this recipe in literally 15 minutes, so it's perfect after a long day of work. And it's incredibly delicious, trust me. First we're gonna bring water to a boil and cook the noodles according to package instructions. Make sure you don't overcook your noodles, you want them to keep their chewy consistency. In the meantime, we're going to prepare the other ingredients. Start off by mincing the garlic and the ginger. Heat up a pan, add 2 teaspoons of sesame oil and stir fry the garlic and ginger together for a minute or two. When they turn golden, add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar. Add 1 teaspoon hot pepper flakes, but you can totally skip this step if you don't prefer spicy foods. I added an extra tablespoon of soy sauce and a pinch of salt. You can stir in the noodles now and combine everything well. If you're feeling lazy, you can eat the noodles like this, but if you're feeling extra fancy, we can make some garnish. We will start by frying an egg. Basically, any type of noodles goes well with eggs, don't you think? While the egg is cooking, we're going to chop up some green onions. And time to put everything together. Put the noodles into a bowl. Add some green onions, the fried egg, some more green onions, I love green onions, and some sesame seeds. And not even 15 minutes later, your fancy bowl of noodles is ready. Hope you enjoyed this really simple Japanese soba noodles recipe. Let me know if you try it and what are your results. And if you like my video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe because it will help me a great deal. See you in the next one. Bye bye! I promise I'll post more often.